So when you're looking at the advanced decline itself, it's 2:1 in favor of the declines. So the breadth obviously negative despite everything that's playing out. Some of the heavyweights within the Nifty pack, really, those are the ones standing out in trade for you. Look at an HDFC Bank, 2.5% higher. So that move leading both the index as well as the Nifty Bank higher. ICICI Bank also doing fairly well for itself. M&M is the other one, which is perked up in trade. So that one also seeing a decent kind of a move with regard to the way the stock has moved today. 3.25% higher, 3.33% higher, in fact. So a decent move across all of those that you can see. So among the heavyweights, really, that's where the movement is. Even among the contributors, Reliance Industries and SBI are some of the other big contributors for you in trade. BEL, in fact, was one of the big losers. Bharti Airtel, Sun Pharma are just some of the other losers that you can spot on the index itself, on the Nifty 50 index. Auto leads the gains today, 1.4% higher. Realty down 2%, oil and gas down over 1.5%. The Nifty Healthcare Pharma Index seeing a bit of pressure today. Nifty IT though, just 0.5% lower, and I say just 0.5% lower is because if you look at the intraday move on the Nifty IT, you've seen a fair bit of movement, and from the day's lows, we've seen a very good recovery on the Nifty IT index. It's about 1.2% in terms of the recovery itself. That being said, on the Nifty Bank, there's been a near 2% recovery. The Nifty 50 has recovered around 1.7% from the day's low. The mid-cap and small-cap indices also recovering at least 1.5% from the day's lows. So from the day's lows, if you're looking at it, there's been that positive momentum. Some of the other big gainers of the day, Chennai Petro as well as MRPL, those were the big gainers. Along with ITI, the stock is perked up 18.5%. Tejas Networks up nearly 6% on the back of an order win. Ola Electric is up 5%. Adani Power up 5.5%. Zentech among the defense pack doing well as well. Paytm up 4% after PhonePe pushes its IPO a little bit down the line, and therefore you're seeing a decent move on Paytm. Aadhar, City Union Bank, Bikaji are just some of the other movers in trade today. The big losers, which Aisha didn't mention, IDBI, Bandhan, but Adani Total Gas is the other one. GE Shipping is down 5.5% after that very strong up move we've seen over the last few days. IOCL, Brainbees are just some of the other casualties of the day. Kunal, very quickly, how would you rate the day?
Well, I think it's a good end to the market and a good start to the week for the indices, and it's good to see finally that there was a limit of short covering for a few of the larger cap names. Even though mid caps and small caps, they sort of underperformed throughout the day. The market breadth was also not extremely optimistic when you look at this in terms of the index gains. But then I think this could probably be a point where, if in case there's further short covering, it could leading to some more recovery for the index. Even if you come back towards 23,500 for the Nifty on the spot levels, that would be a good enough zone for the index to just about consolidate. The supports still remain the same at 22,800 mark, which we flagged off at the start.
Okay, and on that note, let's wind it up right here on this edition of Closing Trades. We'll be back with all the market action tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. And of course, don't forget to tune in today at 4 p.m. For an analysis of what the day looked like and what tomorrow may be looking like on Market's Edge.